Hello, I'm Jasmine Joseph. You are 14CA048, and this is my first case tools lab experiment where I have created a use case diagram. And in this diagram, I have created a use case for a library management project. So, as the library is maintained in our university, I have created the specified attributes and all those that is inside the library. So in the use case diagram, we have specific attributes like this, and then I have the actors. In my use case, I have two actors, like one is student and the other is the librarian. So the student has various attributes like ID card. He can log in, and if he forgets his login, if he forgets his password, he has also got an extension to forgot password. And the librarian is also allowed to log in with his with the library login, and then the student can check the availability of books. And from that, I have given three extensions, like the books available in the library can be comics, magazines, and research studies. And then the student can borrow a book from the library from the librarian. So I have given here two connections. And then as well as with that, the student can also extension of submission date. Whenever a book is borrowed by the student, the librarian will be maintaining a due date of the book when it is to be returned by the student. And hence, if he wants some more time for reading the book, he can extend the submission date, and for this he has to report this to the librarian, and hence both these connections are made. And then in the same way, I have created a fine due to the late submission, as in any student in any library management, the final, if the student crosses the date of submission of the library book, he will be asked to pay a fine of a particular amount, and if the number of days increases, the fine amount increases depending on the number of days. And so hence it is also connected to the librarian, and we can provide it with more attributes, like an ID card will be created in the same way. An ID card will be created for the student, such that it will be authenticating the student that whether he is the member of that particular library or not. And then the library, we can give as many extensions and the extensions we want, but the important thing is we cannot extend the comics. The comics means a single attribute can have only one extensions. It can have only one set of extensions. That means we cannot add more extensions from the attribute comics, magazines, and research studies. If you want to add some more attributes, we should create another main attribute, and from that we should create some more external attributes. This is the end of the program. Thank you.